What's up and welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to create an emotional Afrobeat in FL Studio. If you're interested in the samples which I'm using, make sure to check out my African Sample Pack Volume 1, the link is in the description, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So first we're going to pick a synth, and in this case I'm going to use Serum. So in this case I'm using this Rhodes texture preset. I'm going to start off with this simple melody. But first I've adjusted the BPM to 102, and this is the first chord progression. So right now I'm going to use another layer of Serum. So I found this keys preset, just duplicating the chord progression. So I'm gonna make some adjustments to this chord progression, like this. Turning it up one octave. So I'm going to add another instance of Serum and just create a bassline. I'm going to create one from scratch. So enable oscillator A, oscillator B. I'm going to adjust the unison to 2. Turn this one down one semitone. So it sounds like this. Enable this filter, A and B. I'm going to use an MG low 24. This one. So we created a really deep bass, and I'm gonna just drag in the root notes like this. That's it. And right now we're gonna add a vocal sample, so I'm going to use Arcade. Oh, no. So we've created a melody in A minor. So we're gonna adjust this one to A minor. So I'm gonna make an adjustment to this one like this. And drag it in. And just make the note a little bit more shorter like this. So there is a gap right here. Link those elements to the mixer. I'm gonna add some reverb to this one. Use our chamber. I'm gonna spread the vocal sample. So I'm using this vocal doubler. The variation to 100 and separation. So right now I'm going to use the Pendora VST. I'm going to solo this one and just copy the Rhodes keys into this one. I think there's already a really fine preset. So I'm going to add some more notes in between. So repeating this one. I'm just following my chord progression. Maybe turn this one down to C. Ah, that's fire. And I think I'm going to use this melody in the bridge of the beat. So right now we're going to start off by adding the drums. So I'm going to use my African Sample Pack Volume 1. I'm going to start off with some rim shots. So I'm using this one. And I'm going to use this kick and make some adjustments. So I'm going to enable the clipper. I'm going to boost the sample a little bit. Like this. So I'm adding some distortion. something like this. I'm going to add something like a percussion. So percussions, jam block. I'm just gonna pick this one. Just gonna add this one using the general pattern. Until now, this is the drum pattern. I'm going to add a tambourine. I'm going to make an adjustment to the kick pattern. I'm going to add a kick right here. And I'm just going to add a random snap. So I think I'm going to use this one and just copy the tambourine. Conga pattern to this one. And I've added this jammer right here. But I think it sounds way too empty. But I think I'm going to add a hi-hat, so I'm going to use something like this. So this is the final hi-hat pattern. I'm gonna add some more swing to the beat, 20%. So right now I'm making some adjustments to the panning of the hi-hat rolls. And then just reverse the pattern. Just paste it under the pattern again. So this is the final drum and melody pattern. So I've just created this simple arrangement and let's have a listen. First a vocal sample and the chords. Bassline is coming in. Added a clip. Pendora synth. Also added a roll, as you can hear. Vocal sample and the chords are coming in again. Bassline is pitching down. And it's basically repeating. So I've automated the bassline right here, turned this one down to -12 semi sounds, and then automated the pitch bend. I've also created an automation clip on the color filter on the Rhodes texture keys, and I've added this roll, this one. And I think that's basically it, so I'm gonna wrap up this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And I hope to see you in one of my next tutorials.